What's up gang? What's up gang, it's your boy Justin. Last week I made a video about my shoes, the Brooks Adrenaline GTS 16, and how they wore down at one particular corner, at the corner of the shoes, on the left leg and the right leg. So today I thought I would make a slow motion video using either this camera or my Galaxy S8 to show my stride. Can I do it? My stride. And how not to run and how I'm planning how not to run and how I'm planning to change the way I run to improve my runs so I can run further in my runs. Here we go. Compulsory elevator video. Okay boysies, I found a place that's it's quite secluded in this apartment area. Not many people walk here, so I don't think I'll be disturbed. First off, I'll record my foot with the camera. And use the 120 frames per second settings and hope that I can capture something of significance. Yes. If not, I'll change it to the Galaxy S8. Okay boysies, I think that concludes our video. We have 4 videos. One from the camera, wrong foot stride. One from the camera, attempted correct foot stride. One from the S8, wrong foot stride. And one from the S8, attempted correct foot stride. So, hope you enjoyed the video. I'm not sure if I'm doing the right thing about my foot stride. Please leave a comment down below if you're watching this video. Please leave a comment down below if you're watching this video and you know how I should run, which is the correct way. Tell me how. I'd love to know. I plan to run the Penang Marathon end of the year. Maybe not 42, maybe just 21. I don't want to try too hard. I don't want to hurt myself again. So, thanks for watching. Goodbye.